stories? Do you know?
This is look. Some things, everything can accept from somewhere, everywhere. But I think we are already with Jason. Lots of people is talking with him. They're going that. But what
You're batting against spin. Does that worry you a little bit, the middle order? You are up against the best bowling attack in the world in limited overs cricket. Where do you think you need to improve?
Look, always improve for improving in the cricket. You never satisfy every day. You learn a lot when you are in the pitch. You in the batting you see different quality of bowling against quality bowling. So.
Fantastic game, wickets to start with, then runs yesterday. You seemed to enjoy yourself yesterday.
Yeah, I'm very happy because first time I'm standing like that time in a wicket. So I'm very well enjoyed the batting when they bouncer for me. I'm just okay, come on, one more. Then I'm little bit set up. Then I got runs.
Yeah, it looks like they peppered you quite a bit. Were you worried out there?
Yeah, but sometimes I'm asking not bouncer for me. If you want ball front for me, and then out. But then bouncer. I said, okay, thank you very much. I'm set and get a 15 test match.
It was a brave knock. How are all the bruises? Where are all the bruises?
Yeah, the head's my one leg left and left arm, right arm, my chest, every way.
Which hurts the most?
Most of my left arm, there's too much pain for first ball. Hit the first ball very bad. It's still paining too much, but I'm playing. I got a wicket for my team. I play for my team.
You're going to be okay to bowl?
I think so. I'm bowling well, and last inning bowling today. I need bowling well today as well.
Word on Zulkarnain Haider. He played beautifully. He seems a bit of a character as well.
Yeah, he's a very nice guy. He's played very well, stayed, and then appreciate for me. Come on, Saeed, stay with me. We got to run. Then I got 100 and punish it.
It looks like you both wound up the England bowlers a bit.
Yeah, but they're bowling very bad. You're bouncer for me, leg side, and got runs, few cover drives, straight pulls, and every way.
On a serious note, do you think that's the way Pakistan has to play its cricket? With a bit of feistiness, a bit of passion, get in the face of the opposition like Javed Miandad used to?
If you stay in the wicket, I'm staying in the wicket, I'm left bowler Anderson is very easy for me. If you got black for 20 ball, 30 ball, then I've got singles, doubles, anyway. If you stay on the wicket, you get runs.
Is it just you, or do those two seamers up front have to take wickets as well?
If we got two seamers, you got 2 wickets early, then it's very match going good.
You said last night has to be all-out attack. What do you mean by that?
No, not that one. But if I ask him if we got a 50 and 150, then we got match this one. I think so because. Bounce, I see the Swans got turned too much, bounce, turn, and I'm very happy if you got a 10 wicket for this match.
Good luck today.
Thank you very much.
Shadab did their good bowling, and also Imad Wasim and a couple of overs Hafiz Bhai, and especially the way our fast bowler is bowling, it is very good.
Now, we had a shot of you up top there. You were not that far away from winning, but you were still looking nice and tense up on that balcony. Do you ever relax as captain?
No, I'm always like that. So whenever the position is like that, I'm just like that, at the same.
So we'll see more of that in Durban.
Inshallah, thank you.
Okay, terrific. See you then.
Thank you.
Sarfraz Ahmed, the Woodies captain today, and of course Pakistan.
Join us. Many congratulations. Your career best figures. You must be thrilled.
Yeah, I'm very happy. That's my first international career for 5 wickets in Test match.
You seem to have a little bit more success when you bowled round the wicket. Why was that?
Because if I bowl, my captain and coach, they lots of help for me. They said, give confidence for me. If you want to bowl dusra, your turning point. If you got bounce and turn, you coming round. Try for few overs. I just try for few overs. I'm good confidence, and then I turn bowling round.
How difficult has it been for you? 4 back-to-back Test matches. You've not played in the last 3. How difficult has it been to get some rhythm as a spinner?
Yeah, I've got last 9 months I've not played any first-class cricket, so Canadian is playing, he's my senior player, If he's a bad boy, then I have my chance next. So last match he's not played very well, so his captain give me a chance. Then I avail the chance, 5 wickets.
It went very well for you. It would have gone even better if the boys had taken some catches. Does that get you down? Does it get your body language down when the boys keep dropping it?
Yeah, we try hard. Catching every day in the morning. Coach is very working hard, but I don't know what's happening. We should try hard next time. I think we'll not drop more catches.
But you ended up catching them yourselves in the end, didn't you?
Yeah. I tried the last catch. I go, okay, I'm good. Thank you.
Great to see you bowl so well. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
What we talk, what we did, how many meetings, how many days, what kind of situations, all finished. Just only next 4 hours now. और यहाँ पे सेकंड स्टार चाहिए आप इंशाल्लाह उसके लिए सिर्फ दिमाग में चैंपियंस टीम just put him in mind, that's it. We need a second star. Champion team is never afraid of the results. They know just process. We will keep that process what we did in the 11 matches, and we are the champion inshallah. Okay, guys.
My question is Pakistan and Indian captain Sarfaraz and Kohli. Yes, indeed, all matches are very important for all teams, but especially Pakistan versus India match is very, very important, and people are very much excited and they are looking at tickets, but unfortunately they could not find it. And you will both place in very high level pressure. What do you say on that, please?
Do you get tickets?
Because
I already changed my WhatsApp. I already changed my WhatsApp number very soon.
I think, look, India-Pakistan is always a very, very anticipated match, but we keep saying this again and again. If you ask the players, it's very different from how the fans look at the game compared to how the players played. Yes, you feel the anticipation and you feel the excitement of the fans when you enter the stadium, but as soon as you step onto the field, it's professional, a bowler trying to execute his skills, a batsman trying to execute his skills to the best of their potential, and for us, it's just another game that you need to win as a team. Yes, it brings pressure because the atmosphere in the stadium is very different, and as I said, you only experience that till the time you start, competing in the game. As soon as you get into it, then at the end of the day, it's a game of cricket for all of us. I know we keep saying this again and again, but that's the truth. That's all, all the cricketers, I'm sure, from both the sides feel that as soon as you start playing the game, it eventually is a game of bat and ball, and that's what you need to focus on.
My answer also the same. Nothing. No difference.
सरफराज, आपकी कप्तानी में पाकिस्तान चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी जीता, फिर एशिया कप से हम बांग्लादेश से हार के फाइनल से बाहर हुए थे, और इस वर्ल्ड कप में भी क्या 2017 की चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी के बाद बजाय हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया से भी हारे, न्यूजीलैंड से हारे, इंग्लैंड से हारे, पाकिस्तानी टीम का डाउनफॉल स्टार्ट हुआ आफ्टर चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी? क्योंकि स्टैट्स में तो यही दिखाई दे रहा है.
Next question, please.
What do you think of the pitch?
It's the same pitch. I think this is the kind of pitches that we have been having since we are here. So it's nothing different, I think.
क्या? ये क्या पक रहे हो